Hey everyone, ever worried about what would happen if you got sick or injured because of your job? It's a scary thought, but in the Philippines, there's a powerful safety net every worker needs to know about. It's called the Employees Compensation Program, and it's your legal right. So, who's covered? If you're an employee in the private sector covered by SSS or a government worker under GSIS, you are automatically protected from your very first day of employment. No extra payments, no special sign-ups needed. This program covers you for any injury, sickness, or even death that happens because of your work. This includes accidents, a long list of occupational diseases, and even conditions that are worsened by work-related stress. Think of it as a shield that protects you and your income. Let's break down what you actually get. First, there's the medical benefit, ward services only. The medical services provided are generally limited to the benefits of ward services in hospitals, accredited by the Department of Health. If an employee chooses accommodations better than ward services, for example, private or semi-private rooms, they must cover the excess expenses. Reimbursement basis. Medical benefits are often provided on a reimbursement basis, covering the cost of medicines and supplies necessary for treatment. But payments are made based on prevailing community rates or a specific schedule set by the ECC system SSS or GSIS, whichever is less. It doesn't matter if it was your employer's fault or not. You are entitled to this care. The Philippines Employees Compensation Program (ECP). If you have a work-related injury or sickness causing temporary total disability (TTD), you receive a daily cash allowance, which is 90% of your average daily salary credit, paid for up to 120 days or longer if still under medical care. And in the worst-case scenario, if a worker passes away due to work, their family receives a monthly pension and a funeral benefit. On top of all this, the program also offers rehabilitation services like skills training and job placement assistance to help injured workers get back on their feet and return to the workforce. The Employees Compensation Commission (ECC) Philippines program does offer rehabilitation services, which specifically include skills training and entrepreneurial training for persons with work-related disabilities. This is provided under the ECC's special program called the Catch-along at Gabi sa Manggagawang May Kapansaynong Kagabi program. So, how do you claim these benefits? It's crucial to act fast. First, immediately report the incident to your supervisor or employer. They are required to report it to the SSS or GSIS. You should also notify them in writing. SSS Social Security System and GSIS Government Service Insurance System are the main social insurance agencies for private and public sector workers, respectively providing retirement, disability, and other benefits. The ECC Employees Compensation Commission is the coordinating body that oversees the employees. Compensation Program (ECP) offering additional work-related injury illness benefits like medical care, loss of income managed by SSS for private workers and GSIs for government workers, with ECC handling appeals. Second, get medical attention right away from an accredited doctor or hospital and secure a medical certificate. Third, you or your employer must file the necessary claim forms within 3 years from the time of the incident. The SSS or GSIS will then process your claim. If it's denied, don't lose hope. You have the power to appeal your case all the way to the Employees' Compensation Commission Board. Remember, your employer cannot fire you for getting injured at work, and they are legally obligated to support your claim. These benefits are not a favor. They are your right, paid for by your employer's contributions. You've earned this protection. Don't let an injury at work derail your life. Know your rights under the Employees' Compensation Program. Report any work-related incident immediately and claim the support you deserve. It's your lifeline to secure your health and your family's future. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share this vital information with your fellow workers. Stay safe.